Lord, this really happened. This really happened, guys. I am just so upset with myself for starting to eat it without sharing with you all of the goodness that's happening here. That little white piece there just happens to be wee brie. The most delicious, smooth, and tasty little cheese wedge. Yes, it is. It's spreadable as well, but right now I am just, I'm just enjoying this wonderful homemade crust, not by me, but by my sweet friend Debbie. Her son did the lattice work on it. I will be adding that to the video. You'll see a picture around in here somewhere of the pie crust being put on this wonderful pie. What kind of pie is it? It's like a Granny Smith apple pie to me, and some other tasty things. But it is not an apple pie. This is what's left of this slice of, I'm gonna say it, green tomato pie. Yes, it's the season to do something with all those tomatoes that did not ripen in your garden. And yeah, I did hold on to them for a few many days, and some of them started to ripen in my uh, fridge. Yeah, I know. I had them in the fridge. Yes, I did. But I did add a couple of cherry tomatoes just because I had an extra space in that pie plate. And this, see the green tomato right there? Mmm, mmm. You look at that while mmm. Yes, I had to eat that bite. So, y'all do not, if you've never had green tomato pie, this is it. Y'all want to know the ingredients? Besides green tomatoes, I'll tell you one of the ingredients that's in here. It might just blow your mind. I don't see it. I only put one slice in it. Ooh, maybe that's part of it. There is one slice of good and crispy bacon in this pie, y'all. There's also 1.5 tablespoons of dark, yes, sorghum molasses. Yes, there is. And of course, you know, that's the cheese right there. Check this out. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Green tomatoes, plus the little piece of a red one there that just went in there. Mm, mm. Y'all, and this crust is handmade. Oh, is that a piece of bacon? Not sure, but there is a slice of bacon in here. Lucky, there is a bacon. No, sir. You cannot have this goodness. So, I'm going to stop this video and do a compilation of the rest of video that is happening up in here, because I'm going to be adding some still shots of pictures of the pie crust being put together. I'll try to get the recipe for the pie crust or tell you the ingredients for the pie crust shortly. But I'm getting ready to put this in my mouth. Sorry you missed it. Just so you do know, these are green tomatoes. And this tastes like I did put it in the oven and let it bake another. So I'm sorry I had to take off and have a big bite of it. I couldn't help it. I could not. So this is a homemade crust, and it is made out of cold buttermilk. I think about a half a cup of buttermilk total went into that. Just a smidge of sugar, a little bit of salt, unsalted butter, I believe. Not positive, but my friend Debbie made the crust. I made the filling, and Debbie's son did the beautiful, what is it, lattice, something, where you make it all fancy on top. Does this not look like fried apple pie? Fried apples, delicious fried apples, and you guys, you know what that is. It is green tomato pie with a couple of red ones thrown in for good measure. Yeah, the green ones had started to ripen. Okay. This is amazing. And, I get blinded by the light, but here we go. This get in my belly. Oh, there was a lot of cheese on that piece. Divine. It looks like, and it tastes like, I think, dried apple pie. Mm. 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 Thank you, Lord. Mm. Mm. Hello? Hello, you waiting for a bite? The crust is the bomb. I'm going to tell you. Yes, there is bacon in here. Y'all, there really is bacon in this. Look at that. Look at it. Don't know what to do with all them green tomatoes, and you're tired of frying them. Pie them. Put them in a pie. Yes, do it. My goodness. I found a piece of bacon. Look at this. Now, the recipe called for a low temp at 350, I think, for 40 to 45 minutes. I did put it back in the oven and give it another 20, 25 minutes. And it really baked up even more delicious than the first bite, because I felt like my tomatoes were a little too hard still. Um, a lot of the tomatoes in here were little bitty ones, but there were some bigger green ones. But I just felt like it needed a little bit more oven time, and that just happened maybe 10 minutes ago, and I added the brie. Yes, I did. Oh my word. Oh my lucky honey, quit looking at that. Quit looking. Now I can't get it. I should have used a fork, but you know how it is when you can't hardly wait. And if you are feeling like me with my back still giving me grief, you just grab the first utensil that's available. And you eat because your body needs food. Um, I got it. Okay, there you go. Unfortunately, I did not get any pictures of the crunching and chopping up the. It's gone. I mean, there's a piece of cheese right there. I'm gonna get that. But this is. Oh my word! This is it.